So yun mga kagala, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Nakpan Beach. At merong papakawala na mga pawikan. Hey guide. Ayos, ayos, ayos. So tourist attraction din siya. So ito po ay ginagawa ng Sanmay. Binibili nila yung mga pugad ng pawikan. Ayan mga itlog, tapos pag napisa na, pinapakawala nila. Alright, nice.
So the dog is there. Hey, there's the dog there.
Dog.
Sige na.
Excuse me. Alright. Wow.
The dog.
Ocean, and they will remember where is your home. When they grow up, they will come back to the home. When they
Ma'am, how many days before the eggs hatch? How many days before the eggs hatch?
hatch it 2 months,
2 months. Wow. Thank you, ma'am.
9 days.
Wow. Rice. 59 days. Wow.
88.
Nice.
Nice. I see the first time, you know.
Yeah.
First time see the color, right?
I see just only the National Geographic, you know.
Super lucky.
Welcome to Palawan, the last frontier.
Yeah.
Wow. Is it your first time, sir?
No, it's not my first time.
Wow. Muraga. Oh, nice. Green sea turtles. Nice. Thank you so much, Sanmay. So yun, inaalagaan po yan ng Sanmay, yung mga eggs. At kapag napisa na ng 2 months, kanila itong pinapakawalan. Nice!
Tama the last one.
Yeah. That's the master.
Just looking what's happened, you know.
Yeah. The overseer. Nah. So yun, nakakatuwa naman na sa pamamagitan nito nagiging bida yung ating Palawan. Napakaraming mga turista po yung nakasaksi kung gaano pinagpala yung ating Palawan. Kaya sana ingatan po natin yung ating The Last Frontier. And thank you so much, Sanmay Beach Bar and Restaurant, dahil sila po yung bumibili ng mga itlog ng pawikan. Kasi yung mga turtles na to, dito lang nangitlog sa kahabaan ng Nakpan Beach. At kapag nakuha nila yung mga eggs na yon, sinusurrender po nila ito sa Sanmay. At binibili ito ng Sanmay. At kanila itong pinapapisa within 2 months. So yun po, doon sa bakod na yon, meron silang mga papisaan ng mga itlog doon, mga nest. So sinusundan pala nila yung sikat ng araw. Alright. Don't move. Wag daw gagalaw kasi madidisturb sila. Sinusundan nila yung sikat ng araw. Kung saan yung sikat ng araw, yun po yung kanilang nakikita. Nice. Wow, congratulations. Nice. Excuse me, ma'am. How many percentage of the turtles will survive?
How many? One turtle can survive. So If people, when you see a garbage on the ocean
Yeah.
or on the beach, please pick up.
Yeah. It's a big help.
And drink
Thank
the
you.
water.
Yeah, it's a big help. Oh no! Don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move. Don't move.